In this video, we delve into the crucial role of nutrition in sculpting your dream body, emphasizing how the right foods can significantly enhance muscle building. A key focus will be on protein-rich foods, which are essential for muscle synthesis and recovery. By incorporating these nutrient-dense options into your diet, you can optimize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. We promise to share practical tips and delicious food choices that not only support your muscle growth, but also tantalize your taste bud. Join us as we explore the best foods to fuel your body and elevate your fitness journey. Amino acids, building blocks required for muscle synthesis and repair, compose protein, a vital macronutrient. We must obtain essential amino acids through diet, as our bodies cannot produce them, and they play a crucial role in muscle growth. Various protein sources such as milk, eggs, lean meats, legumes, and nuts provide these essential nutrients. Incorporating these foods into your meals can significantly enhance your workout results by promoting muscle recovery and growth. Adequate protein intake not only supports your fitness goals, but also helps maintain muscle mass, ensuring you get the most out of your training efforts and achieve optimal performance. When it comes to muscle gain, certain foods stand out as excellent protein sources. Milk is a fantastic option, rich in casein and whey proteins, which aid in muscle recovery and growth. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, provide healthy fats along with protein, making them a perfect snack for sustained energy. Rice, particularly brown rice, is a beneficial carbohydrate source that complements protein intake, fueling your workouts and replenishing glycogen stores. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can significantly boost your muscle-building effort. We encourage you to add milk, nuts, and rice to your meals for optimal results in your fitness journey. For those looking to support muscle building, easy-to-make smoothies and snacks can be a game changer. Try a protein-packed smoothie by blending 1 cup of milk, a tablespoon of nut butter, a banana, and a scoop of protein powder for a delicious and nutritious boost. Another excellent option is a simple yogurt parfait, layering Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of granola. You can prepare these snacks in minutes and take them on the go, making them ideal for busy lifestyle. We encourage you to get creative in the kitchen, experimenting with different ingredients to craft healthy meals that fuel your fitness journey. When striving to gain muscle, many individuals make common mistakes that can hinder their progress. One significant error is consuming processed foods laden with added sugars, which can lead to unwanted fat gain and poor nutrition. It's essential to focus on balanced meals that include not just protein, but also healthy fats and carbohydrates to support overall muscle growth and recovery. Relying solely on protein can create nutritional imbalances that may affect performance. We encourage viewers to stay informed about their dietary choices, making conscious decisions that promote a well-rounded diet. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can optimize your muscle-building efforts and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. We've highlighted the critical role of protein-rich foods in muscle building, emphasizing how they support muscle synthesis and recovery. Incorporating sources like milk, nuts, and whole grains into your diet can significantly enhance your fitness journey. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health and nutrition tips that can help you achieve your goal. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and family who might benefit as well. Don't forget to explore our related content for more insights on nutrition and fitness. And let's continue this journey toward better health together.